Hi everyone, welcome back, and in this video we are going to learn about Cython. So first we'll discuss about why should we learn Cython. Then as part of the demo we are going to write one Cython function. Then we'll create the build and finally use it in Python. Cython is combination of C, C++ and Python. So in this case we get a better performance as compared to pure Python code. Second, we can integrate our existing C or C++ code with Python. Third, cross language development. So this help us to bridge the gap in between low level language like C with Python. So these are a couple of benefits what we can get if you use Cython. For this demo I'm using Linux Ubuntu. So let's install Cython. Let's execute pip install Cython to install this package. Here I have two files. One is .pyx where we have written the Cython code, and setup.py which will help us to create the Cython build. Now if I'll open the first file, that is pyx file, here I have written one function which add two numbers. Only difference if you see as compared to pure Python code, here I have given the data type. Both of them are integer. Now let's open this setup.py file. This is the bare minimum to create the Cython build. And here I have just passed this input file name, that is add to pyx. This is our input file. Now let's execute this setup.py file to create the build. So Python 3, then setup.py, and here I need to create the build. So build underscore ext, and in place I want to create in this location itself. Now let's clear the screen, and I can see here I have two additional files added, one with .c and second is with .so. So if I'll open this .c file, I can see this is a C code. It got converted here. Let's clear this screen. I'm more interested on this add to .so file. So I will open the Python terminal here, and let's import this function which we have created right now. So from add to, I wanted to import the function what we wrote. So function name is also add to. So import add to. So first part is file name, second is the function name. Now if I'll call this function, I wanted to add two numbers, let's say 10 and 20, enter. I can see here it's 30. So thanks for watching.